pretty ladies out there. So Naz is back again with another saree look, and today I will talk in Assamese. I know we have many Assamese audience out there. Ki khobor bondhu hokol bhal ne apnalokor? I know bahut surprise hoise nohoy, just because I'm speaking in Assamese. Buji na pale muk janabo, okay? Just because I speak many languages, you know, I speak 7 languages. Yes, and I'm proud of. বাকি বহুত হল বাৰু ইন্ট্ৰোডাকশন এইখন হল মানে অসমীয়া ষ্টাইল হাৰি নহয় বাৰু এইখন বাট মই অসম ষ্টাইলত পিন্ধিছো কাৰণ মোৰ ভাল লাগিছে মানে একচুয়ালি এটো অসমীয়া ষ্টাইল ডেফিনেটলি নহয় বাৰু এটো মানে ইউনিভার্সাল ওয়ে অফ wearing saree for the lazy girls, you know, just tuck a pin here and you are done and you are good to go. That's what I'm doing. And this is the amazing all over floral print saree which is very drapery, and this is how it looks. Amazing, right? Aru mur Okhomia audience bilak apnaloke janene like mekhela sador mur upor bhal lage, right? But next mo mekhela sador try korim. Now I really don't have a mekhela chador to try on, but yes, even till then you enjoy this look. This saree has big floral pattern, also has some kind of, you know, this glittery stud thing which is giving very elegant and proper look to the saree. And I am wearing this with a olive color cotton silk blouse, as again, like I am so fan of cotton silk because it gives very kind of royal kind of look, because when you are just like wearing a normal kind of saree, then it's always better when you combine the thing. One thing has to be dominating, right? When you are going with a low makeup, then probably you have to go with a high color combination thing. So that's what I am doing. As usual, I like to play with the color combination. So here it is, and this is how the saree looks from the back. I'm wearing a shapewear for giving a proper look to the saree. But you know the most amazing part about this saree is very drapery, and it, like for me, person like me who is not so much into saree, but yes, people compliment I look good in saree. But for me, if I'm feeling very comfortable wearing this kind of saree, and I can easily walk, just see, I am confidently I can walk, and I know I will not fall because of this saree quality, okay? And this is how the pallu looks. Simple, yet again very elegant and trendy and stylish, right? And yes, I am wearing this like, you know, at very lowest. I think this is the lowest I could wear because I'm saying I have been working out a lot and I really want to flaunt this area, okay? So that's why obviously I would like to flaunt what you have, guys, right? Yes, that's all. And the earring, the traditional one again, and you can go with some modern kind of hook that will give you a very stylish and trendy look. But I'm wearing this with a jhumka because jhumkas are my favorite kind of earring. Otherwise, like, yeah, you can go whatever you want. Okay guys, then I will see you guys in the next video and with an amazing saree, okay? Till then, bye.